guys and welcome to BitsBytes. Today's video we learn about how to create your own user defined function. So in this video we basically concern about the create your own function that prints the hello world on the user screen. Instead of using main function, I use a different function for printing the data. So let's create one file for hello world. I put the file name hello world.func.go. So first of all, I create a package for main. Then I need one package. It will be imported when I'm using, but I need to create a function who prints the hello world. That is hello world. Function is created. So func is a keyword for creating a function, and hello world is a function name, and it's print the function, right? It's print the function, print hello world for us. It's pretty simple. How to call hello world function? If I just wrote like this, and if I go and just you can see it is not printing any data from user screen in terminal screen, because we are creating that function with the body in which the function body we write the println statement who print the hello world on the user screen, but we are not calling that function from the main. That is also necessary. So hello world, that is the way I call that function I'm creating. This function is hello world is a kind of function known as a user defined function. So if I'm using again that, now it's print hello world because hello world function is called in the main. This is the simplest way to call any function. So instead of the println statement, you can create a one function for putting the input, taking an input from the user on the main, and set that data. According to that data should be given to the function, and that function returns some value or print some value on the user screen according to that data. So let's take an example for print day. That is another function I created, print day. That is a function name. So that function take integer value. So how we declare the integer value? That is an argument. I pass it, and here is okay. So first of all we look into the syntax. Sorry, I forgot to write the syntax. Like so, func is a keyword. Then the function name, we have what the function name should be, and in the braces we provide the arguments or parameters, you can say that meters. And after the parameter brace ended, if there is a multiple return types, so in another brace you provide the return types, and inside the braces we need to provide the function body. Function body refers to operations performed inside the function. Okay, so now I'm creating one function that is a print day. Instead of doing that, it's not print day, it's only gave the day. Okay, according to that. So its return type is string, right? Now same logic I follow, switch according to I and case, because there is a multiple cases. So in one case 2, one is a default case. So invalid choice is one of the case. So what is the easiest approach is there is two way. One is the providing the anonymous string return to the function, or create a one variable, store the value in the variable and then return. There is a different approach. So I am creating one variable whose store the day value, like, okay, so in day having a string, so it is a Sunday. Okay, so it is a Sunday. Same goes for this. I'm just copy paste. So after the function it should be written day, right? Because I'm providing the default, so I'm not worried about if no cases match. So what should be the I just updated that each case. So when instead of I'm commenting that, and like if I'm providing the day in day function, if I'm providing 3 refers to the Tuesday. So fmt.println, there is one approach for printing the data through the function. If I'm just go run, so you can see that it's print Tuesday successfully as per I input 3, so it matches the case 3 and it's written the Tuesday. So let's discuss the execution of this program. So the user provided 3 here, that is static right now. So when day it's call from the main function to the day. So in the value of I become 3, then switch 3 case will be matched. So this case will be matched, this case should be matched, and then the value of day variable become Tuesday, and no other cases will be matched. Also skip the default because we already got the case 3. So then return the day having a value is Tuesday. So it's return the string Tuesday and it's printing the Tuesday. As simple as that. But if you not aware about the there is different approach. Like we have a day, right? So if I'm providing day only, so you can see that the day function will be work successfully. It also print Tuesday, right? But now there is another variable I take. That variable become store the value with whatever it came from that function into this variable, and that variable is print. So like this, if I'm providing like 12, so it should be invalid day. It successfully printed invalid day. So it is a return type string, that's why it's printing, it's written the string. What if I need multiple? Instead of that, I'm telling that there is an error, or just like a message in an error. So there is a one. Now its return type is 2. One is a string and second is error. So if return is day only, then it's nil. If it is invalid, so in that case return type should be okay, so blank string, and it's fmt.errorf. It is a built-in function for creating a error with the message. So the message is invalid day. Okay, so now it's written two parameters. So if we can't store two values in a single variable, so we take that value in OK also. Okay, so now I put differently. If okay, so OK not equal to nil, take it simple. Okay, if OK not equal to nil, then fmt dot println OK, otherwise it print, else it will print this. So you can see that it's become a logical. It's become a logical. If there is error, then it's stored in OK, and it is string type. So that is a return type of similar return type of error and string. The first parameter become string and second return type become error. So now the store is also in a serial way. So first is a string and second is a error. Go run hello world. Okay, hello world function.go. So it's print invalid day, but we are not see where it is printed. So let's print the line number along with that, so we get it from inside the if block or outside the if block. Okay, so it's print line number 40. If you see, that is a line number 40 we have. So this is the line number 40. It's print inside the if, not else. So because we are providing the empty and we are also giving the error along with that, so why I am changing into single to multiple? Because I want to show you can return n values from a function in Golang. In C language we can't return multiple value in a single function. Also in Java we can't return multiple values in single shot, right? But here is a possibility in Golang. You can return multiple values in a single function from a single function. So that's the beauty of Golang. It's make easier for the developer. That's it. Thanks for watching. In the next video we looking into the more detail about the functions inside one function to another function, the approaches, why it is follow that approach, also discuss into that. So keep connect with us.